talk about 7 amazing foods for cold and cough. 7. Ginger. Ginger is a tropical plant commonly used as a dietary supplement. It can help treat various health issues including nausea, the common cold. 6. Water. Drinking water helps thin mucus, allowing it to leave the body through your mouth or nose. It can also help those who are sick replace lost fluids from sweating or having a runny nose. 5. Turmeric tea. Turmeric tea is used across the globe to treat a variety of ailments, including joint pain, skin disorders and lung irritation. 4. Gargling salt water. Gargling with salt water is something that healthcare providers will often recommend to ease the sore throat and cough caused by the common cold. 3. Garlic. Garlic has mild antiviral, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties. Taking garlic on a regular basis is also said to lower blood pressure and boost the immune system. 2. Peppermint. Peppermint contains menthol, which helps to numb the nerve endings in the throat that usually become irritated due to constant coughing. This can provide relief from the urge to cough. 1. Honey. Honey is a natural antibacterial that is one of the best home remedies for wet cough. Eating 1.5 teaspoons of honey before bed can help reduce the cough and allow you to sleep better. It works well for children as well as adults. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Dietitian cum naturopath and yoga consultant.